Okay, welcome to the video. Hope you like the little edit at the start there. It's the first one I've done with a drone. The drone I'm using is the Mavic Air 2. It's brand new, and I haven't done any editing with drone footage yet, so I didn't think that came out too bad, but I'm definitely going to improve on it in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, it handled the winds really good. I'm really surprised. It was like 40-mile-an-hour winds and the footage was still really stable, so I'm really impressed. But anyway, let's get to unboxing it. Right, so you can see inside the box here, you get a black box with some wires in, I think, if I remember correctly, and a really, really nice DJI bag. Now, we've got the Fly More pack, so you get a couple of extra stuff with the Fly More pack, including the bag. It's quite nice. The safety guards for the drone that I've got to the side there in the white box, that doesn't come in the Fly More pack, we bought that separately. So you can see inside here, we've got the drone itself. It's got some nice stickers on. It's a really nice looking drone, really compact and small. I'm surprised how small they can make them. You can see it folds out really nicely there. You've got 2 sensors on the front, 2 on the back, and 2 on the bottom. So this is the remote. It's really well how they've designed it. The 2 joysticks are hidden just underneath, so you can screw them in and then use it, and it's really easy for transport. This is the triple battery charger. Now it only does 1 battery at a time, not all 3 at the same time, but it does mean they charge up quite quick, which is good. About an hour 15 per battery. The bag is actually padded, which is great, so if you're knocking it into things and stuff, it's probably not going to damage your drone. You can see we've got 2 extra analog sticks there, as well as a USB-C charger. These bits connect to the controller because usually it's got an iPhone attachment, but with this you can make it into an Android attachment to connect your Android phone. These are 3 nice lenses here. What they do is they change the shutter speed, so if you're in different lights you can basically make it so the shutter speed's the correct, well, it's the correct speed, and that way you don't get overexposure. It's got a really nice protector on the gimbal to stop it getting damaged while travelling. And then this is if you want to charge your phone or the controller using a battery. And these are the smart batteries. In the Fly More combo you get 3. Right, so let's see what's inside this black box. Right, we've got the props. You should have right props and left props, and you can see there's a diagram of where they're supposed to go to, which is super useful. Right, and that just about sums up everything you get in the Fly More combo. If you want me to do a drone review, just put it in the comments. There's loads of them out there for the new Mavic Air 2, but if you want my perspective on it, I can do a little review. Up in England where I live, it's super windy and stuff, so it's really, really good conditions to really test it to its max. And I can't wait to see what kind of footage I get in the future of my car as well. It's really going to upgrade the channel and take it to the next level when it comes to footage and stuff. I can't wait. So anyway, that's just about it for the video. If you liked, hit like. It's only a short one this week. I'm really looking forward to next week's video. I'm going to try getting loads of drone footage. It's going to be really good. Right, so I hope you guys have a nice day. See you later.